Ngabana wa Kiambu Kimani WAMATANGI ari ugwatine bwa kwingwa gitene akiringithanwa na utumiri botho kubwa milioni 122 cia mwingi. MC ba county ni bachumirite kumworota bakiuga ni muntu otegwitaniria ngugi na atongeria bange atena utongeria bobwega na kinyamirandi weti na mbere etegwitithwa na mbere kukaririkana mieri emikai mithuru Rais Ruto niwe watonyerere na kuonokia WAMATANGI kiri mibango ya kumukura gitene. Solidarity Onde kwithiritwe kwina murutira jwage siasa kaunti ya Meru kongena kunekere kaunti ya Kiambu haria MC bambunge ya kaunti je bagitete igamba kweberia ngabana wao Kimani WAMATANGI bakiuga gotena weti na mbere bukuoneka ni utumiri bobwe bwa kigina gya kaunti yake.
We had 4.88 billion for development, and as at April we had consumed only 400 million. Comprising of 8.2%. As we await the report from the control of budget on the financial year absorption rates, the situation in the county shows a dire need of re-evaluation. Across all the departments, the development is actually below par. The figures on the development absorption points to a lot of failures across all the departments. Failing to spend on the development means Kiambu residents did not get the much needed services. Residents can attest to this.
Bakiongera ngabana WAMATANGI ari na thina cia kwigitira igamba na kinyama minister bamwe ibabutete ngugeni onto bate kumba kurita ngugi nawe.
Governor has a problem with decision making. Our county chief officers have not been in place since we were elected. The advert was done last year in October. The shortlisting was done, and up to now, the members who are shortlisted have not been appointed. 1 year down the line, and that is a county that is working. On the issue of county executive committee members, and those are the ones we call CCs. The CC Roads resigned, was not able to work with the governor. He resigned and went home. The CC Education resigned and went home. The person who is acting, the CC Roads, used to be there during Waitito's time. This assembly has not vetted that person. Of roads is very dire in our county, and the governor doesn't have a CC who is competent.
Bakioria Auditor General Kodhithia Ochonkoni ni ontombecha itetumiri bobwega na nkoroki bakoria ngabana ojo arekane na MCs barite ngugi.
And the Auditor General to corroborate and do a forensic audit of all the procured projects and programs in this county of Kiambu. I.e., or for example, there is a chicks. They are distributing chicks. A chick is going for 100 shillings in Karo in Naivasha, but in papers it is going for 1,000 shillings. This a mongrel kind of government called WAMATANGI Foundation. They are undermining MCAs in their wards, and we are calling him to stop and let the MCA do their jobs in their wards.
Nandi bakiuga batereka mwaka jonge jothira utherie.
The first financial year of 2022-2023 has gone to waste, and as such, we will not allow the executive to waste another year.